Which means time to head over to Met Éireann for the general and sea area weather forecast and say good evening to Matthew Martin.
Thanks, Fiachna, and hello here from Met Éireann. Well, the weather will be mixed again this weekend with lots of dry weather for tomorrow, but heavy rain is then expected on Sunday. However, the good news is it looks like high pressure is going to build over Ireland next week, so that means there'll be lots of dry and fine autumn weather for then. But for tonight, it's going to be mostly dry with clear spells, but areas of mist and fog will develop, and that's as winds fall light. Lowest temperatures tonight of 7 to 12 degrees. So then for tomorrow, mist and fog will clear during the morning, and that will leave a largely dry day tomorrow, Saturday, with spells of sunshine. There is just a small possibility of a few showers developing in the southwest in the afternoon. Maximum temperatures for tomorrow of 18 to 22 degrees in just light winds. It will then start dry early tomorrow night with long clear spells. However, later on Saturday night, cloud is going to thicken from the south with rain developing in Munster and South Connacht before dawn on Sunday. Then on Sunday, rain will extend nationwide, turning heavy and persistent, and there is a status yellow rainfall warning in operation for Sunday. We can expect some isolated thundery downpours along with the potential for localised flooding. It will be humid and breezy on Sunday with highest temperatures of 17 to 20 degrees. So that's your land area forecast, and now for the sea area. The meteorological situation at 9 p.m. Low pressure of 1,005 hectopascals is centred just north of the Low Countries and extends a moderate northerly airflow over Ireland. A freshening southeasterly airflow will develop over Ireland later on Saturday. The forecast then for Irish coastal waters from Carlingford Lough to Wicklow Head to Hook Head and for the Irish Sea. Winds north to northwest, force 4 or 5, decreasing east to northeast, force 3 or 4 soon, and later increasing southeast, force 4 or 5. The weather generally fair or partly cloudy, with mostly good visibility. The forecast then for Irish coastal waters from Hook Head to Erris Head to Carlingford Lough. Winds variable, force 2 or 3, soon becoming southeast, force 3 or 4, and later increasing southeast, force 4 or 5, and touching force 6 at times off the southwest coast. The weather partly cloudy with just isolated light showers, but there is a possibility of some overnight mist near the coast. The visibility mostly good, but poor in any mist. The outlook for further 24 hours until midnight Sunday. Fresh south or southeast winds, increasing strong at times, and there will be outbreaks of rain along with drizzle and mist. So now the coast reports tonight as of 11 p.m. Malin south 3 knots fair, 16 miles, 1,016 rising slowly. Dublin Airport north 6 knots fair, 16 miles, 1,015 rising. Boyne 5 then in the Irish Sea, north-northwest 7 knots. The visibility at Tusker Lighthouse is greater than 10 miles, 1,015 rising. Roaches Point, northwest, 12 knots, fair, 18 miles, 1,016 rising slowly. Valencia, northeast, 2 knots, cloudy, 18 miles, 1,017 rising slowly. Finally then tonight, Balmullet, north-northeast, 2 knots, cloudy, 9 miles, 1,017 rising slowly. That's all from Met Éireann for now. Thanks for listening and have a good night.
Thanks so much, Matthew.